Garlic has not only unique taste, but also rich nutritional and medicinal value. Garlic was selected as the top 10 nutritional foods by Time magazine. Garlic is the most popular health food in the world because of its low price. It is rich in vitamin C, calcium, iron, selenium, allicin and other ingredients. It is often called natural antibiotics. Let me tell you the most important 10 functions of garlic. 1. Strong sterilization. Sulfur-containing compounds in garlic have strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects, and have inhibitory and killing effects on various cocci, bacilli, fungi and viruses. They are the most active antibacterial agents in natural plants. 2. Prevention of cancer. Germanium and selenium in garlic can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and cancer cells. Experiments show that the lowest incidence of cancer is the highest selenium content in blood. According to the National Cancer Organization of the United States, garlic ranks first among the most cancer-resistant plants in the world. 3. Reduce blood sugar and prevent diabetes. Garlic can promote the secretion of insulin, increase the absorption of glucose by tissue cells, improve human glucose tolerance, rapidly reduce blood sugar levels, and kill various pathogens of diabetes induced by infection, so as to effectively prevent and treat diabetes mellitus. 4. Prevention and treatment of cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases. Garlic can prevent and cure fat deposition in cardiovascular and cerebrovascular, induce fat metabolism in tissues, reduce cholesterol, inhibit platelet aggregation, reduce plasma concentration, promote vasodilation, regulate blood pressure, thereby inhibiting the formation of thrombus and preventing atherosclerosis. As long as the blood is normal, it is not easy to suffer from hypertension, heart disease, cerebral hemorrhage and other diseases. 5. Prevent getting cold. Garlic contains a substance called propylene sulfide, which has good killing effect on pathogens and parasites, can prevent colds, reduce fever, cough, sore throat and nasal congestion and other cold symptoms. 6. Anti-fatigue effect. Pork is one of the foods rich in vitamin B1, and vitamin B1 is combined with allicin contained in garlic, which can effectively eliminate fatigue and restore physical strength. 7. Anti-aging effect. Some of the ingredients in garlic have antioxidant and anti-aging properties similar to vitamin E and vitamin C. 8. Protecting liver function. The trace element selenium in garlic can protect the liver by participating in the aerobic metabolism of blood, eliminating toxins and alleviating the burden of detoxification of liver. 9. Anti-allergic effect. Eating raw garlic every day can alleviate allergic reactions, especially those caused by temperature changes. The best way is to start eating garlic raw a few weeks before the allergic season. 10. Prevention of female mycotic vaginitis. Mycotic vaginitis is caused by fungal infection. Garlic contains a large amount of allicin, which is a natural strong bactericidal substance. It has a great bactericidal effect. It can inhibit the overgrowth and reproduction of Candida albicans in the vagina. Therefore, daily garlic consumption by women can effectively prevent the occurrence of mycotic vaginitis. Food taboos. 1. Patients with eye diseases, hepatitis, diarrhea due to spleen deficiency and non-bacterial infections, and those who are on medication, should not eat. 2. Garlic should not be eaten on an empty stomach, no more than 3 grains a day. Food cures can prevent diseases, assist treatment, and strengthen the body. But after you get sick, you have to go to the hospital and find a professional doctor to treat you. If you like my video, please subscribe the channel, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I will post more similar videos.